In this segment you will learn how to format the contents of cells using the Number tab and understand the differences in the various types of formats. If you'll notice up in the number grouping under the Home ribbon, we're sitting at a general format. If we click on a general, we can see what our options are: general, number, currency, and so forth. You can also get to this by hitting your number drop down arrow, and you can see all the numbers types of formatting you can get into. A third way to get to it is to right click your mouse, go down to Format Cells, and you get back to the same spot. What I want to do now is format some of these things. I'm going to take $10 and click on the comma style. You can see that if I had enough numbers in here, we would find out that we've got a comma separator. It automatically goes to 2 decimal points, and we've got parentheses for a negative. If at any time you want to increase or decrease your decimals, you can do so up here in the number grouping. So let's go to the $50 one, and let's go to currency. It automatically goes to 2 decimals. We'll hit OK. And we can see the dollar sign is right next to the values. I want to show you the distinction between that and the accounting. The difference being that accounting takes that dollar sign and places it as far left in the cell as you can get it, where the currency puts it right up against the value. You may have a need for this at some point and need to know the difference. Let's continue on. Didn't like that. Let's continue on with a scientific notation. Not too many people will have a need for that. A special, zip code, custom. You can make up your own. You can see the general ones here that's got commas, periods, decimals, and you have a sample above it. If you notice, you have in a lot of these cases, you have the option of increasing or decreasing your decimals while you're setting up the formatting. Let me go to fractions just for a second. There, it gives it to you in the lowest common denominator as far as a fraction goes. In eighths, sixteenths, quarters, we'll stick to the 1 digit, and there we have halves. This concludes this segment on learning how to format the contents of cells using the Number tab.